Okay, here we are back to this renovation. We opened this floor up here mainly for the fact that, we had this big sag over here, and this allows us to expose this beam here that runs all the way down the center. You can see here the way they used to do it is they'd bend some metal over here. You've got the block down below it to a footing. We're going to have to double check all the footings through here. Make sure they're on solid concrete. If not, we're going to add new footings next to it with solid concrete. And then post or block all the way up. This metal that you'll see from time to time on these old houses that's bent over, believe it or not, that used to stop termites. And as silly as that sounds, that is very important. And you'll see that around the perimeter of the house on the block. And that really helps. You can see here where they must not have had it over here. You can see here, this, my friends, is where termites would come all the way up through. These are all termite runs. And you can see it starts way down below. So what happened here is you can see where it stops here. They must have came up through here. You can see a hole here. They come up through here, chew the sheetrock because it was easy to get to this wood. This wood must have been a little softer than this plate wood. And there was a runway all the way up. Now it stops up there, which is great. So they must have spent their lives inside this beam. But these are things that simple plate like that over there at the bottom of that post would have helped tremendously. And so we'll go through here now that we've got this exposed, and we're going to make sure this beam is solid and straight. We're going to get rid of some of this lumber here, and then we're going to get down in here and see what we need. This is some HVAC systems underneath. You've got a lot of wiring. It looks like kind of like a rat's nest. We'll probably leave this open for a while here and let the electrician handle it. You see some old wires here that probably aren't used anymore. So, we're going to get to work real good on this. Here's that bent down metal there. We're going to retrofit this to support this huge beam that's going to be up here. So, this is, how the renovation goes. I'm looking forward to showing you a little bit more as we move ahead. With the hopes of having you really be impressed with the final product. Thanks so much.